Hello students, so welcome to the maths class and this amazing question is here for you. Now in this question, we are dealing with speed, distance and time. Now let us just read the question first. Now during a month, Morgan ran R miles at 5 miles per hour. She is very sporty and biked B miles at 10 miles per hour. She ran and biked a total of 200 miles that month, and she biked for twice as many hours as she ran. What is the total number of miles that Morgan biked during the month? Now, some people find this a little bit like tricky question, but this is very easy. Now we know a formula, that is speed, it is equal to distance over time. Now we're going to use this formula. Now we will just interchange these things. Why? Because we have an equation based on time here, right? So it's here, twice as many hours. So we have to use this thing. So what we are going to write? Time is equal to distance over speed. So this is the formula we are going to use here. Now, what is the condition? I just see a very basic thing, that is she ran and biked a total of 200 miles that month. Now this is the sum of two distances, right? So let us take R as the distance where she ran, and let's take B as the distance where she biked. Now R plus B given to us as 200. So this is my first equation, correct? Let us just move to the other equation, that is now when we are talking about ran and we are talking about biked. Let us just use this formula for this thing. Now time, let us take T1, which will be equal to distance over speed. Now distance is R miles over speed, that is 5 miles per hour. Now time 2, that is time taking for biking, that will be B miles divided by 10 miles per hour. So we have now 2 times. So what should we do with these 2 times? What we have is she biked for twice as many hours as she ran. Now let's just see this thing. She biked for twice as many hours as she ran. We just framed a equation with two variables. B over 10, it is equal to 2 times R over 5. Now with the help of this thing, we'll be able to find either B in terms of R or R in terms of B. Let's see what are we finding in this question. What is the total number of miles that Morgan biked? Now we want to find B here. So that means we will try to find R in terms of B. Now let us just solve this. So R will be equal to something, let's cut it out like this. So R will be equal to B over 4. So this is the value I am getting for R in terms of B. Now what we are going to do? We are going to plug in this value in equation 1. So R is B over 4 plus B, that is equal to 200. Let's just solve this thing. Let us take LCM. B plus 4B, that will be equal to 200 into 4. So that means 5B, it is equal to 200 into 4. So after that, B will be equal to 200 multiplied by 4 divided by 5. So what are we getting from here is 40, and the value of B turns out to be 160. That means this is the correct answer. Now the total number of miles that Morgan biked during the month is 160, and if they asked us that how many miles she ran, so that will be 200 minus 160, that will be 40 miles. So I hope you like the answer, and I hope you like the question also. So kindly subscribe to my channel to see more such questions. Till then, bye bye.